Hello everyone, this is Savita working in RPIIT. Today we will discuss on parts of cannula. So parts of cannula. So here it is the lower lock plug. This is lower lock plug, and this one is flush back chamber. It is a flush back chamber, and this is needle grip. This is needle grip, and this one injection port cap. Here we insert a syringe and easily transfer medication into the patient body. And then this is injection, this is valve, this one here, this is valve, and ये है हमारा, this part is bushing, this is bushing, and this is catheter, and here it is needle. I will show you, this is needle. Check it. Thank you.